Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, when we talk about how Windows, it seems that people that are designing Windows are kind of wasting time in all sorts of things. And a lot of people are like, why don't you just do what we want, the changes we want, or fix the problems there could be with certain things? Here's an example, I think, that represents this very well. In the insider rings, there was a test going on, and some insiders, if you see the system tray, the bottom right of the screen, with the clock has seconds, it has the date. They wanted to try a simplified taskbar, and this is what it looked like. You had the time, very very small, just representation of time without any AM PM, and a date that's very quickly shown the way it is. If you had notifications right now, if you have notifications, there's a little bell that can appear in the taskbar. Well, that would not appear here, and if you wanted to know if you had notifications, you actually had to click on the date and time and see if anything showed up. So it seems that most people didn't like it and would turn it off. Now, here's where, that you try to have different ways of showing the information in the taskbar. That I have no problem with. And the problem is, instead of giving it as one of the choices to display the time and the clock and everything, they just thought, well, you know what? People don't use it. We're not going to implement it. Well, you did design it and you did work on it. Why don't offer it as a choice? It's not a problem to offer it as a choice. I'm sure some people might find that this is better. It takes less space and all. But this is so weird. Instead of giving it as a choice, you're just like, oh, we worked on it, but we wasted time and money. And now, well, let's take it away. And that's exactly what Microsoft is going to do now. This option will not be available. And I'm not saying it's an option people want, but I'm saying it's an option. And why don't you let people choose from several designs the one they like? So weird. But now you waste time and money working on this to say, oh, well, you know what? After all, we're not going to implement it. That's representing Microsoft in its best way. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.